Dear students, last class we have learnt how to locate root 2 on the number line. Let us learn how to locate or represent root 3, root 5, root 6 and other irrational numbers on the number line. What you have to do is, the procedure is very simple. First you need to draw a line, number line. Okay. You have to show arrowheads on both the sides because it is a line. Next, locate 0 first, and then on either side of the 0 mark equal units. It may be of any length, need not be 1 centimeter. Here I mark the units 3 for every 3 centimeters. I mark points on the number line on either side of the line. See, 0, minus 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. To the left, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Let me mark this 0, the point 0, point which represents 0 as O, and this point as A. Dear students, you have to draw a perpendicular to OA at A equal to 1 unit. Here at A, you have to draw a perpendicular to OA. And it should be equal to 1 unit. Here 1 unit I have taken 3 centimeters. So here also you have to take 3 centimeters only. Let this point be B. OA, how much you have taken? The same length should be taken. See here, 1 unit, this is 1 unit. Several units are there. Among these units I have taken 1 unit. So this is also, the length is also 1 unit. Now you join OB. You join OB. Dear students, yesterday we had discussed Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, it states, in a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That is, OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. OA square is how much? 1 unit. AB square is also 1 unit. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So OB is equal to square root of 2. OB square is 2. On taking square roots on either side, OB equals root 2. This length OB, the length OB is root 2. See, what you have to do is, you have to, this length OB, with OB as radius and O as center, you have to draw an arc which cuts the number line at this point. See, the length remains same. This is root 2. Wherever you locate the point, that length will be root 2. So this length is root 2. I will locate this point as C. See, the length OC is root. The length OC or OB is equal to root 2. Now what you have to do is, once again, next we can locate root 3. How to locate root 3? So once again, you have to draw perpendicular to OB of length equal to 1 unit. You have to draw a perpendicular to OB at B, which is equal to 1 unit. See, I am drawing perpendicular to which one? OB at B. And once again, the length should be 1 unit only. That is equal to, I have chosen 3 centimeters. Is it not? So, 1, 2, 3. See, I have taken this point as reference. So, this is C. Let it be C. This one is D. You join OD. Join this. See, OB is root 2 and this is 1 unit. OA is 1 unit, AB is 1 unit, BD is also 1 unit. Let me take once again the triangle OBD and apply Pythagoras theorem. In triangle OBD, which is the hypotenuse, OD is the hypotenuse. So, OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. That is root 2 square plus 1 square. Root 2 square means that is 2 plus 1 square is 1. 3. OD square is 3. OD equals root 3. Dear students, here OD is, the length OD is root 3 and the same length is located on the number line by drawing a radius equal to OD. This is the OD, this length is OD. The same length is located on the number line. This point, let this point be E. This length is root 3. This length is root 2. The same length is located here at C. This length is located at E. So the length OC is root 2. The length OE is root 3. Similarly, you can continue by constructing perpendicular to the line. You can continue the process. You can locate root 4. Root 4 is not an irrational number, but next you will get root 4. After that you will get root 5. So you can continue the process. See, instead of that, so let me draw root 5 on the number line. So you can continue the process. You will get next root 4 and next you will get root 5. Even root 5 can be drawn directly. See, we have a number line and already the units are marked, units of equal length are marked on either side of the 0. So let me mark this one as O and this point as A. So I have taken 2 units as the base of a right angle triangle. There we considered 1. Now I consider 2 units. The base of the right angle triangle, the 2 units. At A, I will take 1, I will draw perpendicular equal to 1 unit. Perpendicular equal to 1 unit. This is the line joining these two is perpendicular. So I have to mark 3 centimeters because I have taken 3 centimeters as 1 unit. So this length is 2 units and this length is 1 unit. So O, A and this is B. Join OB. Now apply Pythagoras theorem, students. Is 90 degree. The side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, OA square plus AB square. So here the base is 2 units and the height is 1 unit. So 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1. So OB square is 5. Taking square root on either side, OB is equal to root 5. This length is root 5. And same length is located on the number line using this one, same radius. You have to draw an arc, and that arc, let the arc cuts the number line at C. The length OB is marked on the number line, that is OC. OB is equal to OC. The length OC is root 5. So you can continue this. Next, if you draw a perpendicular to OB at B equal to 1 unit and join, and it will be root 6, and you can continue the same process. So dear students, try to locate root 6, root 7 and root 8. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.